So, this rocked up today. Direnza Induction Kit for BMW 135. Let's see what you get in the box. Well, half an empty box. Let's see what we got here. Jubilee clips, by the looks of it, and some other stuff. Looks like the edging for the actual intake box. A lot of bolts. Oh. Yeah. Okay. This looks like the filter. Ooh, she's a big boy. That's what she said. Yeah, it's quite nice. Intake pipe, mass centre port, by the looks of it. Oh, this is the heavy bit. Yeah, that's the intake box. What else we got? Oh, there's another little lid. The logo on it. It's quite nice. What else? There's a bracket of some sort. Yeah. So that is pretty much what you get in the box. No instructions or anything. I've had a look online, there's no instructions there, so we're just going to wing it. Okay, so I've built the box up, put all the gaskets on, put the filter in, put the mounting brackets on and stuff like that. So it's going to replace this box here. So I've got some tools out. I'm going to get this stripped out. Do you reckon 10? 10. Looks like that's loose. Brap. I don't know. That's how that comes out. And it's just left with a big hole. Cool. Take this mass sensor out. Oh yeah, lovely job. Now then, I did notice, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this one is pissed, it's bent. So I don't know how well that's going to go in. We'll see. I might have to find another bolt. Stay there. Just do it like that. Now then, where does it go? I can only go one way. Way! That's a crooked one. Let's see if it tightens up. What do you reckon? I don't think it will, but we'll try anyway. Where is it? pH. What have we got here? pH 2. I'll do. Let's see what happens. How do you like my workbench? It's good, isn't it? No expense spared. Oh, it's going in. Seems to be alright. Yep, we'll take that. Lovely. Right, shall we see if it fits? See what happens, eh? Should be 2 lug holes at the bottom. Right, that's in. That needs to line up a bit better, but we can sort that. It looks like that goes on there. There we go, that fits nice. So that's the casing. We'll sort that bracket out. Okay, just to show you guys, I had to put a bigger washer on there because it just fell through. But everything's in now. Solid. So let's get the filter in and the lid on, and then that back in, and we should be golden. And we can see what it sounds like. Let's whack these out. That one looks a bit bent. We'll find out when we put it on. Don't drop any of them washers. Sort of thing I do. Right. Okay. Fix that on that. Stick it in here. Send it all the way home. Oh, you bastard. Feels like it's all the way there, I think. Let's spin that round. There it is. Oh, that's a shitty clamp, that. Yeah. Oh, maybe I should turn that round a bit. Yeah, it's more like it. That in, lovely. Clip that on. Yep, looks pretty good. Let's put the lid on, see what happens. It's supposed to go on there like that. Let's see how well it fits, eh? Guarantee I'm going to drop something. Bet you. Let's see. Get it in the hole. Bet you can't. Right, seems like it's in. Next one. I've gone straight in. Lovely. Why is it whenever it's time you need to find the hole, can't find it? Ooh. We're in. Tighten that up. What should we use? Woo! Where's it gone? One of them. One of them. One of them. There we go. Solid. Solid as a rock. Right, let's get this in. Ooh. Now then. Maybe you put that lid on afterwards. Oh. Oh, you just give it some welly, mate. There we go. Looks like it's on. It looks like the picture on the website. Solid. Get my bolts. Where did I put my bolts? One on there. One on that. What's that? 7. Need an 8. No, I don't need a 10. That's a 7. Where's the 10 gone? Someone's had me off. Here we go. And that, sir, is how it's done. Should we fire it up? See what it's like. Let it warm up. Then we'll do some revs. Looks pretty cool in there. It's not quite up to temp yet. We'll give it a go. See how it's all linked in. And it looks pretty good from here. Very nice. So I think it sounds pretty good, to be honest. But we'll go out and give it a bit of a rip and see what it sounds like going down the road. So this is about a week afterwards. Let it bed in a little bit, but you'll get the gist. So the overall quality of the parts are really, really good, and it's great for $299, I think. I did get it a little bit cheaper on eBay. They must have just had an offer on, but really good kit, sounds well. Might even go for their exhaust next. New video maybe.